Using this application, I mine 147 coins per hour, and I can sell one such coin per 1 cent. By selling 147 of these coins, I will get $1.50, and per 1 day you can earn $35 absolutely free. And the coolest thing that you don't need to spend any time on it. Now I will show you how to do it, after which you can exit this mine and log in again in amounts to sell your coins. So to start earn money, you need to go to Telegram and write here hot wallet. Go to this bot and on the top right click open wallet. This is a convenient crypto wallet from the Near Protocol project, which already has more than 13 million users. So this is not some kind of scam. After registration, you will need to click on your name and copy the BNB network. Then to start mining tokens for free, you need to transfer 0.05 BNB to this wallet. Don't worry, you can always withdraw them at any time. And as you can see, I have $2,700 in this wallet. Then we go down and click on the GRA token. As you can see, in 7 days I have already mined 25,000 GRA tokens. And by selling them for 1 cent, I will earn $250 just like that. As you can see, the rules are written here. And to start mining, you need to have 0.05 BNB in your wallet. But the more BNB you have, the faster you will mine. But 42 GRA per hour is a maximum limit. For example, I use 1 BNB and it's enough for me, because using 0.1 BNB you will earn only 2 times less than me, because you will have the multiplier of almost 5 times. Of course, you can also mine these coins on your computer. Just click join whitelist and then click connect your wallet. Here you can also use MetaMask wallet. I'm sure everyone has a little BNB on MetaMask for commission. So by connecting it to this site, you will earn money just like that. Also, if you are really poor and you don't have 0.05 BNB on your wallet, you can complete all these quests in 5 minutes and get 1000 GRA tokens. This is about $10. So why do I think that 1 GRA coin will cost 1 cent? As you can see, they have already published their tokenomics, and the maximum supply here is 1 billion tokens. Hamster coin on the listing costs more than 1 cent. Also, it has a maximum supply of 100 billion coins. So actually the GRA can cost $1, but I believe in 1 cent. Also 20% of GRA will go on the listing as liquidity, and there will be other different features that you can study yourself. Also in the hot wallet application you can mine hot coins, which I'm already thinking of selling for $5,000. But I'm talking about this in this video. Subscribe to the channel to not lose new good projects at the beginning.